Good morning, my dear student. Today, my topic is fraction. In this chapter, we will study about classification and comparison of fraction. We will also study about the four fundamental operations on fraction and problem involving fraction. We already learned in the previous video session on fraction chapter that what is fraction and their classification of fraction. But here we learn again the quick view of fraction and classification of fraction. So first of all, what is fraction? A fraction is a part of a whole. Suppose if a pizza is divided into 4 equal parts, then each part is called 1/4 and is denoted as 1/4. Here 1/4 is a fraction. In a fraction a by b, where a and b are whole numbers, that means b not equal to 0 here. A is called the numerator and b is called the denominator. Now dear student, here we classified the fraction. The fraction are different types of the fractions are there. Mainly proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction, simple fraction, complex fraction, equivalent fraction. Now we learn proper fraction. What is proper fraction? A fraction whose numerator is less than its denominator is known as a proper fraction. Suppose 1/2, 17/19 and 35/36 are proper fraction. That means it is a real fraction. Here numerator always less than denominator. Right student? Here 1/2, 1 is the numerator and 2 is the denominator, and 17 is the numerator and 90 is the denominator. So we can write here 1 less than 2, 17 less than 19, right? Now improper fraction. A fraction whose numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator is known as an improper fraction. For example, 8/7, 11/10 and 17/14 are improper fraction. That means here numerator greater than denominator. Here 8/7, that means 8 greater than 7, right? Now mixed fraction. A fraction which consists of a whole number and a proper fraction is known as a mixed fraction. For example, 2 whole 1/4, 3 whole 7/8 and 2 whole 11/17 are mixed fraction. Any mixed fraction can be converted into improper fraction by giving the formula. Here we write mixed fraction is equal to whole part plus numerator by denominator is equal to, we can write whole part into denominator plus numerator by denominator. Also an improper fraction can be converted into a mixed fraction by using formula. Improper fraction is equal to quotient remainder by denominator, right? Now student, here we learn the simple fraction. What is simple fraction? In a simple fraction, the numerator and denominator are whole number. It is also known as common or vulgar fraction. For example, 4 by 9, 3 by 7 and 31 by 20 are simple fraction. Now dear student, here we learn also complex fraction. A complex fraction whose numerator and denominator or both are fraction is known as complex fraction, right? For example, 3 by 5 by 7 or 2 by 7 by 9, or we can write 11 by 13 by 15 by 17 are complex fraction. Okay, so this complex fraction we can easily convert into the simple fraction. Okay, now equivalent fraction. Fraction having the same value are known as equivalent fraction. For example, 1 by 3, 2 by 6, 3 by 9 and 4 by 12 are equivalent fraction as they are equal in value. If the numerator and denominator of a fraction are multiplied or divided by the same non-zero number, then we get an equivalent fraction. Two fractions a by b and c by d are equivalent if AD is equal to VC. Right? Hope student you clearly understand. Hello my dear student, here we solve various problems regarding these fractions chapters, right? So first of all, here given the express the following as mixed fraction. That means here given number 1 a, here given 98 by 11, it is a improper fraction because numerator 98 and denominator 11, so denominator is less than numerator, right? So in this case, when we convert improper to mixed fraction, we should follow the division method. Okay, so now we solve this problem. 98 divided by 11, right? So here we take 8 ja 8 11 ja 88, right? Here we subtract 0 and 1. This is the quotient part, this is the remainder part, and this is a divisor, right? So the new, that means denominator, here nothing change, we write the denominator first. Now quotient part became a whole number and remainder part became a numerator, right? So this is the answer. Another we solve here, same method, 200 by 15, right? So here 200 is the numerator and 15 is the denominator. It is the improper fraction. Now we use the division method to convert improper to mixed fraction. So here 200 divided by 15, it will divide, we take 1, then 15 1 is 15. Okay, right? Now subtract this one 5 and this one 0 will bring down, right? Now 15 3 is 45, right student? So here subtract, now 5 will become come. Now it will become, we write here, this one 15 is the denominator and 30 is the whole number and 5 is the numerator. Okay, we read as 13 whole 5 by 15, right? Now another we solve here, very easy. It is a 120 divided by 9, right? So it is a improper fraction and now we convert into mixed fraction. Same way that we solve this problem, So we write here 120 and 9. So 9 1 ja 9 and this one 3. Okay, and 0 bring down. Now 9 3 ja 27. 3 is here, right? So we can write here this one 13 whole 3 by 9. Now it will become the lowest term. We can write here, so this one 1 and this one 3. So we write here 13 whole 1 by 3 is a answer. I hope student you clearly understand. Express the following as mixed fraction, right? Now my dear student, here we learn express the following as improper fraction. That means we convert mixed fraction to improper fraction, right? So here given number 1, 3 whole 5 by 7, right? When we convert the whole number, numerator and denominator, here we convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. So how to solve? First, this is the denominator, this is the numerator, and this is the whole number. This is the denominator, this is the numerator, and this is the whole number, right? So the formula is, first we whole number multiply with denominator, right, plus numerator divided by denominator, right? So in this way that we convert mixed fraction into improper fraction, right? So here we write this one 3 into 7 plus 5 divided by 7. It will become 21 plus 5 by 7 is equal to 26 by 7. This is the answer, right student? Now another problem we solve regarding this method, number 2. Here given 22 whole 3 by 5. Now this is the easy way that we solve this problem. Here we write 22 into 5 plus 3 by 5. Now it will become this one 10, 1 carry, 10, 11 plus 3 by 5. That means it will become 113 by 5. This is the answer, right student? I hope you clearly understand. Now my dear student, here we learn like and unlike fraction. First of all, what is the like fraction? Fraction having the same denominator are known as the like fraction, and fraction with different denominators and known as unlike fraction. For example, here 10 by 7, 10 by 7, 3 by 7 and 9 by 7, 11 by 7. Here each and every fraction, the denominator are same, so it is called a like fraction, right? Now the different denominator like 11 by 13, 12 by 15, 9 by 11 and 10 by 22. So here different denominator are there, so it is called a unlike fraction, right student? Hope you understand. Now conversion of unlike fraction into like fraction. How to convert the like fraction into unlike fraction into like fraction, right? Following the step given below to convert unlike fraction into like fraction. Step number 1, student, find the LCM of the denominators of the given fraction. Step number 2, divide the LCM by the denominator of the first fraction. Multiply both the numerator and the denominator of the first fraction by the quotient obtained. Now step number 3, repeat step 2 for all the given fraction. In this way, we convert unlike fraction into the like fraction. Right, student? So let's start to learn in better way by the given example. Okay, dear student, by the given example, we understand the conversion unlike fraction to like fraction. Here given 7 by 12 and 5 by 20. So these two are unlike fraction, right? Now how to convert them? First we write like this way, 5 by 20. Now we do LCM 12 and 20. Our target to convert each fraction their denominator same. Now it will become divided by 2, 6, 10, and this one 3 and this one 5. So LCM became LCM is equal to this one 4, 12 and 5 ja 60. So 60. Now which number we multiply with 12, then we will get 60. Here 2 2 ja 4 and this one 12. Now we multiply with 5, then we'll get 60. So here we write the same number 7 into 5. Same way we write this one. If I multiply with 3 with this 20, and we will get 60. So here we multiply the only 3. So as you know, whenever we multiply the same number with the denominator and the numerator also, so it will become this one 35 by 60 and this one 15 by 60. Here we observe the both fraction having denominator are same. That means this one became converted into the like fraction, right? Now second one we solve here. It is helps to for more better understand, right? Now here given this one 7 by 5 comma 22 by 25 and 12 by 15. Same method we followed here and solve this problem, right? So arrange them like this way: 7 by 5, 22 by 25 and 12 by 15. Now we do LCM. So 5, 25 and 15. It will become 5 1 ja 5, 5 5 ja 5 3 ja. So 15 15 5 ja 75. So 75 we should multiply 15 with this 5 number. It will become 75. So here we write 7 into 15, right? And this one 75, it will become 25 3 ja 75. So we multiply 22 into 3, and this one 75, 5 15 ja 75. So we multiply 12 into 5. Now we write here this one 35 35 3 carry, this one 105 by 75, and this one 66 by 75, and this one 60 by 75. So here the all fraction having the same denominator, so it will become a like fraction. So here we learn convert into unlike fraction to like fraction. Hope student you clearly understood. Now my dear student, here we learn which one is greater. Here given two fraction, like we understand here given 10 by 13 or 9 by 13. In case the denominator same of two different fraction, then it is easy to find out which one greater. Here we observe that this one 10 is greater than 9, right? 10 is greater than 9. So this fraction 10 by 13 is greater, right? But in that case, when the denominator are different, so in that case how to solve which one greater? Here given 19 by 24 or 12 by 34, right? So in that case we do LCM of the two given fraction and their denominator, right? Here 19 by 24 and 12 by 34. So LCM of the denominator 24 and 34, it will become 12 and this one 17. Okay, and now this one multiply, this one 24 multiply with 17. So this one became 68. 6 is the carry. Okay, now this one 34 and 6 40. So the LCM became 408, right? Now if I divide this 24, this denominator, it will become 17. So 19 into 17 and 408, this one 12 into 12, right? So this fraction will become this one 17 and 19. Here we multiply this one, so we'll get 63, 6 carry and 7, this one 13. Now this one 9 and this one 1. So this one became 3, 12 and this one 3. So it will become 323 by 408 and this one 144 by 408. So which one greater? I hope this one greater. So we write this one 19 by 24 greater than 12 by 34, right? So this one greater. Okay, I hope this method you easily understand. Okay, dear student, here we learn how to arrange the ascending order and descending order, right? In general terms, ascending means smallest to largest. That means here 0 to 9, and or we say A to Z, and descending means largest to smallest, that means 9 to 0 or Z to A. Right student, here given some fraction, we arrange them into ascending order and descending order. Okay, so here given the fraction given here 5 by 12, 7 by 6 and 9 by 10. First we arrange them in the column from 5 by 12, 7 by 6 and 9 by 10. Right. Then we do LCM of the given fraction and their denominator. Right. So here 12, 6 and 10. The LCM will become 2 is 6, this one 3, this one 5. Okay, now this one 3, 2, 1, 5. So LCM became LCM is equal to this one 10, 10, 30, 30 and this one 60. So LCM became 60. Okay, now 12 5 ja 60. So we write here 5 into 5 and this one 60, 10 6 ja 60. So we write here 7 into 10 and this one 60, this one became 10 6 ja 16, so 9 into 6, right? So this one became 25 by 60 and this one became 70 by 60 and this one became 54 by 60, right? Now here all the fractions and their denominator are same. Now we easily understand which one greater or which one the smaller. That means we can easily arrange them ascending or descending order, right? So here arranging, we write here arranging into ascending order, so we arrange so smallest to biggest, right? So which one smallest? So this one smallest, so that means 5 by 12 less than this one, again 9 by 10 less than which one? Less than 7 by 6. Now we arrange descending order, descending order, right? Now we arrange the descending order. So here which one bigger? That means this one. So 7 by 6 greater than this one, 9 by 10 greater than 5 by 12. So again we should remember the ascending means smallest to biggest. Okay, that means 0 towards 9, 0 to 9 and this one 9 to 0. Okay, descending means the bigger to smaller. I hope you clearly understand this problem, right? Here we learn another problem, ascending order and descending order. Here given B number 11 by 12 and 19 by 24 and 23 by 36. So we arrange the fraction into the column 11 by 12, 19 by 24 and 23 by 36, right? So the same way we solve this problem. First we do LCM of the given fraction and their denominator. We write and do the LCM here 12, 24, 36, right? So this one will become this one 6, this one 12 and this one 18 and 2, this one 3, this one 6 and this one 9 became 3, 3 1 ja 3 and 3 2 ja 3 3 ja. So LCM became how much? This one 4, 12, 24 and 3 72. So we write here 72 and 72. Now this one 72, how? This one 4 and 3, 12 into 6, 72. So we write here, so 11 into 6. Now this one 12, and this one 224. 24 3 ja 72. So we write here 19 into 3. This one 36. So this one 6 and this one 6. 36. Now remaining this one 2. So we write here 36 2 ja 72. So 23 into 2. So it will become 66 by 72, and this one 57 by 72, and this one 46 by 72. Now it easy to arrange the ascending and descending order, because here we already find the same denominator. Okay, now we comparing with the numerators, right? So which one smallest, which one smallest? This one smallest. So 23 by 36 less than 19 by 24 and less than 11 by 12. This is the ascending order, right? This one ascending order. So arranging ascending order. Now arranging descending order. Okay, so it will become descending order means bigger to smallest. So which one? 11 by 12 greater than 11 by 12 greater than 19 by 24 greater than 23 by 36, right student? So arranging the descending order, 11 by 12 greater than 19 by 24 and 23 by 36. This is the answer. I hope student you clearly understand this problem, right? Now my dear student, here we learn the fundamental operation on fraction. Fundamental operation of fraction, in here we learn addition and subtraction, multiplication and division, and simplification of the fraction, right? First we learn addition and subtraction, how to add two fraction and how to subtract two fraction. Okay, so first we learn addition of fraction. Addition of fraction. Suppose you are given a fraction A, this one 13 by 17 plus 9 by 17, right? So it is easy to add, because here the both fraction having denominator are same, so we can easily add this fraction. Okay, so here we write the 17 is the common denominator of both. Now we add the numerator. Okay, numerator, it will become 22 by 17, and it convert into the mixed fraction. It will become 1, and this one subtract 22 minus 17, so it will become 5 by 17. So we read here 1 whole 5 by 17. It is the answer. So if here we solve the addition, so we write, first we do LCM of the denominator, then we in the upper portion or in the numerator portion, there we write denominator divided denominator of the second fraction. Okay, so here we understand. Now dear student, here we solve the another addition. So here given 10 by 13 plus 3 by 26. So we do LCM first. First we do LCM, this one 13 and 26, it will become 26, right? Now which number that we multiply with 13, it will become 26. So here 13 into 2, that means 26. So here we multiply this numerator with this 2 plus it will 26 into 1 became 26. Okay, now we multiply this numerator 3 into 1. Okay, now here we write this one 20 plus 3 by 26. It will become 23 by 26. This is the answer, right student? Hope you clearly understand. Yes, student, another we solve the addition. Okay, so we have given number C 2 whole 1 by 3 plus 4 whole 3 by 5 plus 7 whole 7 by 10. First, these are all the mixed fraction. So we convert them into a improper fraction. So we write here 6 and 1 7 by 3 plus 20 and 23 by 5 plus 7 10 ja 70 and this one 77 by 10. Now we do LCM of 3 5 and 10. It will become this one 3 5 and 10. It will become 5 5 3 1 2 6 and 30. So LCM 30. Now 3 10 ja 30, so 7 into 10 plus 5 6 ja 30, 23 into 6 plus this one 77 into 3, right? So it will become this one 70 plus this one 18 1 carry 12, this one 30 plus this one 21 to carry 21 23 by 30. Now add this one, add, it will become this one 9 and 0 9. Okay, 2 this one 3 6 and 7 13 1 carry, this one 2 3 and 1 4 by 30. Now it, when this one answer, but you should convert this one into a improper fraction. So you do division, then it easily convert to the mixed fraction. Okay, you should always mention the answer in mixed fraction, right? I hope you clearly understand regarding this problem. Now dear student, here we learn how to subtract between the two fractions. Okay, so subtraction of fraction here. So here given 10 by 11 minus 5 by 11. In the same way, it is a easy way that we solve this subtraction, because here the denominator of the given fraction are same. So we write the 11, this one 10 minus 5, it will become 5 by 11. This is the answer. But in case the different denominator, so how to solve this problem? So here write 20 by 21 minus 9 by 14. So here do LCM 21 and 14, 21 and 14. So it will become 7 3 ja 7 2 ja, so 6 42. So LCM 42, LCM here LCM 42, right student? So 21 multiply with 2, it will become 42. So that means that means two process there. First you LCM divided by denominator, or the denominator multiply with the respective number, that will get the LCM. Okay, so here we 20 multiply with 2 minus this one 14 3 ja 42, so this one 9 into 3, so we write here this one 40 minus 27 by 42, it will become this one 3, this one 3, and this one 3, 1 by 42. So this is the answer. This is the way that we solve the subtraction of fraction. I hope you clearly understand. Now dear student, here we learn the multiplication of fraction. Multiplication of fraction is very simple method that we solve here. Okay, so first we write the 25 by 13 into 39 by 50. Okay, so multiplication, we divide the same number, the numerator and denominator, and we also divide the same number by the cross section. That means in this way that we cut the number, okay, by the same divisor, right? So here we multiply this fraction, this one 13 3 ja 39 and 25 2 ja 50, so this fraction will become 3 by 2, that means 1 whole 1 by 2. This is the answer. So simple that we solve the multiplication of fraction. Now another problem is here 3, this one A and this one B. Now 3 by 5 into 125 by 27. So we cross cut the number, this one 3 1 ja 3 and 3 9 ja 27. This one we cut the same number, 5 1 ja 5 and divide this one 5, this one 5 2 ja 10 and 5 5 ja 25. That means 25 by 9, it will become 2 whole 7 by 9, right? This is the answer. Now another, we solve this problem, same problem like this, 3 whole 3 by 4 into 1 whole 4 by 5. First we convert the mixed fraction into the improper fraction, 12 and 3 15 by 4 into this one 5 9 by 5, so this one 3, it will become 27 by 4, that means 6 whole 1 by 4. This is the answer, right? Now another problem we solve here, so easy that we learn the multiplication of fraction. So here given 6 into 1 by 12 into 3 whole 3 by 5. Now convert the mixed fraction into the improper fraction, so 6 into 1 by 12 into 15 and 3 18 by 5, so this one 2 and this one 9, it will become 9 by 5, that means 1 whole 4 by 5. This is the answer. So I hope student you easily understand this method that you solve the multiplication of fraction. Okay student, here we learn division of fraction. Okay, so multiply the first fraction dividend by the reciprocal of the second fraction divisor to get the result, right? So how to divide the fraction by the other fraction? Okay, so here given 9 by 10 by 3, or we can write 9 by 10 divided by 3, right? So here first we should remember, when we solve this division of fraction, so first fraction we write as the same, okay, as the same fraction we write in the second step. Now the division became convert to the multiplication. Now we change the numerator and denominator of their position. So this one numerator, it will become the denominator, and nothing is there, that means 1 is there, so 1 is became the numerator, right? So here we write this one became convert to the multiplication of fraction, as you already learned the multiplication of fraction. So here 3 3 is 9, so this one became 3 by 10. This is the answer, right? Now another problem is this one, number A, and this one B. So the B is given here 14 by 15 divided 7 by 25, right? So we write here this one, the first fraction, nothing is changed, okay. Now the division became convert to the multiplication, and this second fraction change their numerator into denominator and denominator into numerator, that means change their position. So the denominator became the numerator and numerator became the denominator. Now this will become cut, and this one 3 and this one 5, so it will become 10 by 3. That mean 3 whole 1 by 3 is the answer of the given problem, right? Now another problem that we solve, it helps to better understand to solve the division of fraction, right? So here given 2 whole 2 by 7 divided by 1 whole 1 by 14. We convert the mixed fraction into the improper fraction. So this one 14 and 2 16 by 7, and division sign here 14 15 by 14, right? Now we write here 16 by 7 into 14 by 15, okay. This one became 2, this one, that means 32 by 15. It will become convert to the 2 whole 2 by 15 is the answer of the division of given fraction, right? I hope you clearly understand the division of fraction, right student? Now my dear student, here we learn simplification of complex fraction, okay. That means the simplifying a complex fraction is similar to divide of the fraction, right? So here we understand by the given example. Suppose here given number 1 or A, 4 by 9 divided by 2 by 3. That means here the two fraction, the numerator fraction is 4 by 9 and denominator fraction is 2 by 3. It is the complex fraction. Now we represent this fraction like this way, 4 by 9 divided 2 by 3. So we already learned how to solve the division of fraction. So here we solve this fraction 4 by 9, the division convert into the multiplication, and it will be change their position, the numerator and denominator of the second fraction, right this way. Now this one cut and this one cut, so it will become 2 by 3. This is the answer, right student? Now next one we understand this one number B, 15 by 9 and 3 by 5. Now how to solve this simplification of complex fraction. So here we write same way 15 by 9 divided 3 by 5. So we write here 15 by 9 multiplication 5 by 3. So 3, 5, 15, it will become 25 by 9. That means 2 whole 7 by 9. This is the answer. I hope you clearly understand the simplification of complex fraction. Now my dear student, here we learn the continued fraction. How to solve the continued fraction. Like here we understand by the given example. A continued fraction is a complex fraction of the form like this way 1 by 3 minus 1 by 1 plus 3 by 7. Okay, so it is a continued fraction. Now how to solve? This type of the fraction we solve from the lowest to highest form. Okay, so that means here we do first write 1 by 3 minus 1 by the LCM 7, so 7 plus 3 by 7. Now second and the third step 1 by 3 minus 1 by 10 by 7. Now the fourth step, here we do 1 by 3 minus this one became the, it is a reciprocal fraction. Okay, so the 7 is became the numerator and 10 became the denominator. Now it will become 1 by this one 30 minus 7 by 10, right? Okay, so it will become 1 by, now you subtract this one 23 by 10. That means it is a reciprocal fraction. So the denominator became a numerator and numerator became a denominator. So this is the solution of this continued fraction, right student? Now we do the solve the another fraction regarding this continued fraction, right student? So let's start. So here given number b, here given number b is here, number b is here 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 by 3 plus half or 1 by 2. Right, now this one we solve here. Okay, so it will become same way that we solve the continued fraction. So we write here the second step 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 by, this will become add this one 6 plus 1 by 2. Now it will become 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 by 7 by 2. Now this one a reciprocal fraction. So 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 2 by 7, right? Now it will become this one 1 plus 1 by this one 7 plus 2 by 7. That means it will become 1 plus 1 by 9 by 7. It will become the reciprocal fraction. So we write here 1 plus 7 by 9. That means this one 9 plus 7 by 9 is equal to 16 by 9. That means 1 whole 7 by 9 is the answer of the continued fraction. I hope student you clearly understand this continued simplification fraction. Of given problem is here given 7 whole 9 by 20 plus 11 by 12 plus 2 whole 13 by 15. Now the mixed fraction became converted to the improper fraction. This one 149 by 20 plus 11 by 12 plus this one 30 and 43 by 15. Now we do LCM of the given fraction. So LCM is here. We do this one 20 and this one 12 and this one 50. Now we do LCM, this one 2, this one 10, this one 6 and this one 15, right? And this one we take 3, 10, 2 and 5. Now we take 5 to the 10, 1, 2 here and this one 1. So this one 4, this one 4, 5 ja 20, 4 5 ja 20 and this one 2, 2 1 ja 2 and 2 1 ja 2 and this one 1. So this one 10, 30, 60. The LCM became 60, right? Now we do here this one 60. So 60, 23 is 60. So right where 49 into 3, right? Plus 12 5 ja. So 11 into 5. 11 into 5 plus and this one 15 4 ja. So 43 into 4. Now this one will become 447 plus 55 plus 172, right, by 60. Now it will become this one 2 and 7 40 and this one 5 8 and 5 13 and 4 17 1 carry, this one 1 and 4 5 and 6 by 60. Now when we represent the answer in a mixed fraction, this is the answer of the given problem, right? I hope student you clearly understand. Now we do the another simplification of the given problem, right? So here we write the problem is there, number B 2 by 3 into 1 by 8 minus 1 by 12 divided 7 by 18 of 9 by 14, right? So here we follow the Badmash rule, as you know. Okay, so 2 by 3 into we do the LCM of 8 and 12. LCM of 8 and 12. We do here 2 4 this 6 2 and 3. So it will become 6 12 and 24. So we write here 24. So it will become this one 324. That means 3 8 is 24 minus 2, right? So divided 7 by 8 of means multiply 9 by 14, right? So 2 by 3 it will become 1 by 24, okay, divided 7 by 18 into 9 by 14. So we write here this one 2 by 3 into 1 by 24. This one became multiplication. Now the numerator and denominator exchange their position. So this one 18 by 7 into 9 by 14, right? Now cancel this one 6, this one 12, okay. Now this one became this one 3 4 ja and this one 3 3 ja 9, okay, and this one 3 and this one 2. So it will become the 9 by 2 into 7 into 14, okay. That means it will become, that means it will become, the problem will become, we write here, right here, this one 9 by this one 14 and this one 28, 14 and 14. Okay, now my dear student, here we solve the other simplification. Okay, here given 2 by 3 multiply 1 by 8 minus 1 by 12 divided 7 by 18 of 9 by 14, right? So we do here 2 by 3, here we also follow the Bodmas rules, right? So first we do the solve in bracket portion. So we write here this one, the LCM became, it will LCM became 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 3 the 24. So 24, and this one 3 minus 2, right, divided 7 by 18. This one became up, means the multiply 9 by 14, right? So here we write this one became 2, right? This one became 2. Now 2 by 3 into 1 by 24 divided 7 by 27 by this one became 2. So this one 1 by 4. Okay, so this one 1 by 4. Now 2 by 3 into 1 by 24 multiply 4 by 1, right? So we write here this one 12 and this one 3. So answer will become 1 by 9. This is the answer of the given problem, right student? Hope you clearly understand. Okay my dear student, here we solve the another problem is given here 8 of this one a curly bracket 3 by 5 plus the first bracket 5 by 16 divided 1 by 6 minus 1 by 2, this one bar, right? And now the second bracket close or curly bracket close here. Now we solve this problem. We write here 8 of the curly bracket 3 by 5 plus 5 by 16 divided this one mixed fraction become convert to the improper fraction 7 by 6 minus 1 by 12, this one. Now we solve this one will become 8 of this one curly bracket 3 by 5 plus this one first bracket 5 by 16, this one divided sign. Now do the LCM. What is the LCM of this one given? 6. Okay, 6 is the LCM of the given two numbers. So 6 1 is 6, this one 7 minus this one 3. Okay, so now it will become 8 of curly bracket 3 by 5 plus now 5 by 16, this one multiply and this one became 4 by 6, right? Now we write here 8 of 3 by 5 plus now multiply this one, this one became 4 ja, so 5 by 24, right? Now this one became 8 multiply this one curly bracket, the LCM will be became 20 and this one 10 12. Okay, so this one 24, so 3 into 24 plus 5 into 5, right? So 8 into this one became 8 into this one, multiply this one, 72 plus 25 by 120, right? So 8 into, now add this one will become 7 and this one 97 by 120. Okay, so it will become 8 1 ja 8 5 ja, so 97 by 15. Okay, that means it will become 15 4 5 ja 70, 6 ja 90, so 6 7 by 15. This is the answer of the given problem. I hope student you clearly understand regarding this problem, right student? Thank you for watching. See you next time, the another session of the math portion, right student? Hope you understand clearly and share this video with your friend, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon. Hope you clearly understand and enjoy the video class of fraction chapter. Thank you for watching.